All right, next one up, another Yamaha MT07. This is this gentleman's daily commuter. Thought he would treat it to a bit of Trott loving. Watches a few of my videos. I would say it's about time. She is minging. Looks like it's been down the road once or twice. Oh, the swing arm. Gosh, it's a shame this didn't come to me sooner. I could have prevented a lot of that. Nice coating of ACF 50. Oh, look at all that chain loop. We have got our work cut out for us with this one. Oh, we do like a challenge. He's going with the full works on this. Probably 3 hours, I would say. We will have this looking a lot better. Get that, oh Jesus, that exhaust. See if we can do something with that exhaust. Get all this engine all cleaned up. Touch up some rusty nuts and bolts. Got a good coating of ACF 50 on it. Might even, I think we'll treat it to some Ultimaxx ceramic as well. Let's work some magic. And there you go. 3 hours later, this Yamaha MT07 has been trotted. Not perfect by any means, but looking loads better. Painted the old heater pipes there, got the exhaust all polished up. Just got to put the springs back on. Sorted out all these wheels. We painted the wheels, painted the insides that are all rusty, touched up a load of rusty nuts and bolts. Got the rust off the fork legs. Touched up a few bits on the frame. Did the best we could with that swing arm. It's pretty rusty, that. Painted the rear wheel. Degreased all the old chain lube off. Blow dried it. Re-lubed it back up. ACF 50 and all these sprocket nuts. Everything's had a load of ACF 50 on it. As it's a daily commuter in London, we thought it could do with a good coating. So fully protected now for the year ahead. Looking sweet. All done in 3 hours.